Every home has a story, and sometimes that story begins with the windows. Today, Lush Loom completed another project, a beautiful blackout and sheer curtains installation at apartment 210, Garden City 2, Dubai.
When we first stepped into this apartment, the rooms had incredible potential. Large windows filled the space with natural light, but they also brought intense afternoon heat, unwanted glare, and constant street noise. The homeowners wanted something more than curtains. They wanted comfort without sacrificing style. So, our team started where every successful project begins: listening. After carefully measuring every window and understanding how each room was used, our design consultant Elena Marwick created two completely different curtain experiences within the same home. The bedroom was designed as a peaceful retreat. We selected warm beige blackout curtains layered with soft sheer fabric, creating a luxurious hotel-inspired atmosphere. Using premium pinch pleats and extra fabric fullness, the curtains fall in elegant waves while delivering maximum privacy, excellent light control, and improved acoustic comfort. The living room told a different story.
Here, the goal wasn't darkness, it was flexibility. Light ivory blackout curtains were paired with crisp white sheers, allowing sunlight to gently brighten the room during the day while giving the family complete privacy whenever they wanted it. Decorative tiebacks completed the look, making every adjustment effortless. Installation day was all about precision. Our technicians carefully protected the furniture, prepared each workspace, aligned every track perfectly, and inspected every pleat before the final reveal. No shortcuts, no compromises, just careful craftsmanship in every detail. By the end of the day, the transformation was impossible to ignore. The bedroom became quieter, calmer, and ready for uninterrupted rest. The living room felt brighter, softer, and significantly more refined.
Every curtain blended naturally with the apartment's interior, proving that the right window treatment doesn't simply decorate a room, it changes the way you experience it. At Lush Loom, we don't just install curtains, we design comfort, create privacy, and bring every home one step closer to luxury. Planning your own curtain project in Dubai? Get in touch with Lush Loom, and let's create a window solution that's designed exclusively for your home.